Hello guys, so this is GATE paper 2020 related to analog electronics. Topic is linear integrated circuits. So this is a circuit diagram. The question being asked is, what is the voltage at node of the amplifier V1? So normally if you see the circuit, it's more complex, but normally in the GATE paper they always try to make the circuit complex, but it's very easy and simple question, but circuit looks like more complex. Here we have to find out the voltage V1. So if you see, there are two amplifiers, operational amplifiers. This is circuit 1 and this is circuit 2. So in these two amplifiers, first we have to identify what type of feedback it is and what type of amplifier configuration. So if you know the basics, from the basics, the applied voltage from the circuit, this is non-inverting terminal, this is the inverting terminal. So here this is inverting terminal, this is non-inverting terminal. So the voltage applied at the non-inverting terminal 3 volts from the first amplifier and 2 volts for the second amplifier. So this is for amplifier 1 circuit, this is amplifier 2 circuit. So the voltage is applied for the both the circuits are 3 volts as well as 2 volts. And one more thing is, the amplifier, what type of feedback is nothing but the output of the circuit is connecting and fed back to the input of a inverting terminal. So this is also same. So by this circuit we can say that the operational amplifier, both the circuits are configured in non-inverting configuration. So when the amplifier is non-inverting configuration, negative feedback means always it apply a virtual ground concept. This is the one of the important basics, everyone knows that. So what is virtual ground means? The voltage appear at this node, so the same voltage appear at this node. So this node is A and this node is B. So the voltage at this point is 3 volts due to virtual ground concept, because of ideal operational amplifier characteristics. At this node A, the voltage is 3 volts. So at this node is also 3 volts. So if you see this circuit, the voltage at this point is 2 volts. So because of virtual ground, this node point B is 2 volts. At this node is also 2 volts. Okay. So and one more thing is the currents entering into the circuit. So this is the feedback loop. So because of input resistance of the operational amplifier is infinity, no current is entering into the operational amplifier. So here from the given problem, you have to find out the voltage at this node. So you have to find out the voltage at this node. So what is the amount of current is flowing in this loop? We have to calculate it. So for that, to calculate this voltage at node A, we apply a KCL. So here the incoming current entering into the operational amplifier is 0. So the outgoing currents, so the solution for this problem is outgoing currents are I1. So this is the current flowing in this loop is I1. So this one is from this direction, this is I2 and this is I3. Okay, so the incoming current is equal to 0, the outgoing currents, so that is I1 plus I2 plus I3 equal to 0. So how to get the I1 means the potential difference between the 2 minus 3 volts, 3 minus 2 volts. Always the current flowing, always we are taking from higher potential to lower potential. Okay, so here at this node, what is the current I1 is nothing but 3 minus 2 volts by 1 kilo ohm. So I2 at this node. So this is node A and this is node 0. So always higher potential to lower potential, 3 minus 0 by 1 kilo ohm. And this one is at I3. What is I3 at this node? So this we have to calculate it here. We don't know this value. V1 minus 3 volts. 1K is equal to 0. That apply KCL at this node. So from that equation you will get 1 plus 3 plus V1 plus 3 equal to 0. So what is the V1? Is 7 volts. Okay. So the right answer question for this question is 7 volts. Okay, simply we have to identify what type of feedback it is and apply virtual ground concept and apply the concepts of network theory. That's it. Okay, very easy question. So if you see the circuit, it's more complex, but it very easy to solve. Okay, very simple. The right answer for this question is 7 volts. Okay, thank you.